In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a custom gradient as a reusable preset in PowerPoint. We'll start by getting a gradient onto a shape so we have something to save. Click to select any shape on your slide. If you don't have one yet, insert a quick rectangle so you can follow along. Right-click the shape and choose Format Shape. In the Format Shape pane, open the Fill options and select Gradient Fill. You can also get there from the Shape Format tab by clicking Shape Fill, choosing Gradient, and then More Gradients to open the same controls. Now let's customize the gradient until it looks exactly how you want. Choose the gradient type, such as linear or radial, depending on the look you're after. Adjust the angle to control the direction of the blend. For a classic left-to-right look, try 0 or 180 degrees, and for top to bottom, 90 or 270. In the gradient bar, use the gradient stops to define your colors. Click a stop to change its color, add new stops by clicking beneath the bar, and remove a stop by dragging it away. Fine-tune transparency on each stop to create subtle fades or overlays, and use brightness to lighten or deepen each color without changing the hue. Small tweaks here make a big difference. Aim for smooth transitions and consider your brand colors for consistency. Once your gradient looks perfect, open the preset list so you can save it. Still in the Gradient Fill section, find the Preset Gradients drop-down. This menu shows built-in options and is where your custom presets will appear. To store your custom gradient, click Add, sometimes displayed as a plus icon. PowerPoint will capture your exact settings, type, angle, stops, colors, transparency, and brightness, and save them as a reusable preset. If you don't see the Add button, check for updates or confirm you're working in a version that supports custom gradient presets. Reusing your saved gradient is quick. Select any shape, open the Format Shape panel if needed, choose Gradient Fill, and then open Preset Gradients. You'll see your saved gradient in the list. Click it, and it applies instantly. This is a huge time saver when you're matching a look across multiple slides. If you want to apply it to several shapes at once, select them together first and then pick your preset to update them in one move. That's it. You've created a custom gradient, saved it as a preset, and applied it anywhere you need, keeping your slides cohesive and professional with just a couple of clicks.